Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to log in or create account on Life360 app. So as you see, I'm inside the app. I will click get started. So right now I have to add my phone number. When I add it, as you see, I will just click here on continue. So I have also to add my email. When I add it, I will click continue and I will enter the verification code that they sent me on my email. So I add it. Then right now I have to add my name. For example, my name is inapp. My last name is inapp too. Click right now continue. Right now I have to add my birthday. I will just use it randomly just to show you guys. Click continue. If you wanna here, just click continue again, and right now you have to to join a circle, enter your invite code. I don't want, I just have to create a new circle because I'm new here. For example, in app family, click continue, and this is the code. If I want to share it, I will click share. Click just down. Here you have to describe your role in this circle. For example, I'm just a friend. Add your photo. If you don't want, just click skip. Location, enable also this. You have to enable this and also this, and click continue, and click continue. And this is, for example, my home. I will click just save. I'm done adding places. I will skip this. No thanks. No, I don't want. And congratulations, you have created your account. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.